What is up, fellow pyros? Today we're going to take a look at the Nightwalkers, artillery shells, got some canisters and double break ball shells. I think it's made by, powder keg, artillery shells. There's some of the breaks are supposed to happen. Some of them look pretty sweet, but you know, they couldn't always be the same. There's directions how to do the mortar, but we already know how to do all that. Let's take one of these out of here. Look at them ball shells, double break. Look pretty decent for a double break, but you know, we'll see when they look like. What I wanted to show you is look at this. Look at that. Baby blue fiberglass. Never seen that color before, especially in a mortar tube. I don't know. We'll have to see. Check out the Goonies channel. I'll have the link down below. That's where I got the idea to shoot these off, because I've never seen anyone shoot them off yet. They're new this year. They're supposed to be Japanese made shells. Look at them. I don't know. We'll have to see. Let's look at them canister shells. A lot of purple, special red to silver, willows, brocades. Should be awesome to see. We're going down and shoot these off this week, and we'll see how they are. Alright, we got that canister shell from Night Stalkers. We got another one of them Night Stalker canister shells. This one is called Purple Wave. We got 4 of them double break Nightwalkers fused together. See how it works. Pour the canisters of the Nightwalkers pack tied together. Nice.